troposphere and stratosphere. Okay now, troposphere from at the surface to up to 20 kilometers we have troposphere. Up to there troposphere is present. After that stratosphere will be from earth to 50 kilometers height. Stratosphere will be present. In between from 0 to 50 kilometers, in between we have ozone layer. Okay now, what will happen without ozone layer? What we get problems? Which problems we see? We can see for human being skin problems. First of all, without ozone layer we get if we affected by ozone layer means ultraviolet rays means what we get? UV rays, skin diseases, mainly cancer. Okay, for animals also. For animals, animals will die also. Okay now. Next any many problems we can see on what it releasing CO2. Okay now, then it what it happens then? It slowly spoils our environment. Yes or no? Slowly spoils. How ozone layer will present means many of the thousands of millions ozone layers means ozone layer molecular formula is O3. Okay now, what is the molecular formula of oxygen? O2. Oxygen O2. Okay, these O2 atoms mix and form O3. Okay now, mix and forms O3. That is the ozone layer. Like this, many of the thousands of ozone layers will be present our atmosphere. Okay now, we are spoiling our ozone layer because of many of the CFCs means chlorofluorocarbons. Okay now, we are spoiling by using like this. All we are using body sprays. Has to follow eco-friendly means everyone has to follow everyone has to give plantation for everywhere. More plantation means what we get? Oxygen. By oxygen only we are getting O3, means ozone layer. Yes or no? By oxygen only we are getting O3. If we give more plantation, we have thickness, much thickness for ozone layer. Okay na? Thickness is 3 to 5 millions thickness will be present in ozone layer. That thickness will be decreasing nowadays because of that only. What we are telling? That only we are telling holes is present on ozone layer because of the thickness, decreasing the thickness. So please all of you give plantation. Okay na? If you give plants everywhere means if you didn't cut the plants means it will grow and it will protect us only. Okay, that only deforestation. Okay now.
Okay, and also you should not use them more than 15 years itself. Did you understand? Whatever the electrical appliances you are using, you should not use them more than 15 years, and you should be getting thoroughly checked. Understood? And also properly dispose electrical appliances like AC, fridge by technicians. That means if suppose it has been gone, your AC got repaired, you have to immediately call a technician and you have to get them repaired. Anyway, all this you have to use less, madam. The usage you have to use less AC and fridge. All these will spoil our environment and also our ozone layer. So these should not be used more. Did you understand? And next, purchase only Energy Star labeled appliances. And you have to select which does not have HCFC refrigerants. And you have to follow eco-friendly products. Madam, what are eco-friendly products, please?
Eco-friendly products. First of all, we have to avoid cosmetics and creams, sprays, soap. Everything was chemical. Yes or no? It spoils our earth and our air also. First of all, a main example, body spray. If you use vehicles, how for one person, one vehicle. Nowadays, we are using like that only. No, every person using cars and bikes, scooties. Anyone using cycle? No, no one are using cycles, bicycles. No, they are. We are not using nowadays. Yes or no? So, if everyone using bikes and scooties, how the environment, how bikes and cars, everything, which gas will